Hello, good afternoon. How are you? Which part are you in India? Maharashtra. Okay, nice to meet you. I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. I don't do anything. What about you? Okay. Which department are you working? Government, private, IT sector? Private. Okay. Are you working in Maharashtra? Okay. Are you born and raised in also Maharashtra? Okay, your hometown is Haryana, but currently you are working in Maharashtra, right? How long have you been working in there? 4 5 years. Okay. What's your qualification? Hmm. BCom. Okay, that's good. How did you get that job? Did you appear any competitive exam or did you private job? Okay. Did you appear interview or did you get selection? Appear interview. Okay. Do you like that profession? Do you like that profession or do you wanna change that profession in future? Okay. Each today holiday? Okay. How many days do you get weekend per week? Saturday and Sunday, right? How far from your office to your residence where you live? Hybrid mode? Sometime you work from home and sometime you go to office, right? Okay, that is a good thing. And did you finish your lunch? Okay, your company provide accommodation, everything. Okay, how far from your office to your residence? 4 5 kilometers means it is so near, right? Do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you wanna just interact with language learner? Okay, then how many languages do you know? Hindi and English. Okay, you can't understand Marathi language because right now you are staying in Maharashtra. Okay, you can understand, but you cannot speak like them, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, you know only just greeting part, right? Okay, then, uh, but if they can speak only Hindi or Gujarati, can they understand English? Okay, do you interact with them in Hindi or English? That local people and your colleagues, your boss. Okay, office time you people use in English, but outside of office you people speak each other in Hindi, right? Hindi and Marathi, right? Okay, how long have you been using this platform? Last 2 weeks. How did you know about this platform? Okay, you got to know from YouTube, and right now you connect with the people. Okay, which country people have you talked till date? Which country people? Okay, Okay, but which country maximum have you interacted with them? Means foreign country or Indian, Pakistan, Bangladeshi? Which country people? Indian. You maximum connected with Indian people, right? Yeah, Indian people they want to enhance their English speaking and they want to grow their professional life. That's why the people use in this type of platform to connect with language learner, right? Okay. Have you talked with any foreigner here? Okay. Then do you get chance to interact with foreigner? Because I heard Mumbai, Delhi, all foreigner they come to. Wow. Then you got atmosphere to interact with them in English regularly, right? They can understand Indian accent. Yeah, you can obviously because people they tell because Indian accent is a different. That's why I asked you. They can understand, right? And okay, do you wanna change your profession in future? Okay. Then how many days do you get a holiday per year? And what time do you go your hometown, Haryana? Okay, tell